Data Ethics for Beginners. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sweet Data. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: data ethics. Whether you're a data enthusiast, a professional, or just someone curious about the digital world, understanding data ethics is essential. In this video, we'll provide a gentle introduction to data ethics, emphasizing the importance of respecting privacy and making ethical data decisions. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is data ethics? Data ethics is the study of how data should be collected, used, and shared in an ethical manner. It's about ensuring that data-driven decisions and actions respect individual privacy, are unbiased, and adhere to a set of moral principles. Now, why is this important? Data is everywhere in our modern world, and it holds tremendous power. It can influence decisions, shape policies, and even affect our daily lives. That's why it's crucial to use data responsibly. Think of it as a with great power comes great responsibility situation. Here's why data ethics matters. Everyone has a right to privacy. Data ethics involves safeguarding personal information and ensuring that it's not misused or disclosed without consent. Data can perpetuate biases. Ethical data practices strive to minimize bias in data collection and analysis to ensure fairness for all. People should know how their data is collected and used. Transparency builds trust. If something goes wrong with data, there should be accountability. Ethical data handling includes a clear chain of responsibility. Data should be used for the greater good. This means data should be used to benefit society without causing harm. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges in data ethics. The digital world is evolving rapidly, and new ethical dilemmas arise regularly. Some common challenges include balancing the need for data collection with respecting individuals' privacy is a complex task. Algorithms can inherit human biases. We must work to eliminate these biases to ensure fairness. People should be informed about data collection and give consent willingly. However, this doesn't always happen. Protecting data from breaches and unauthorized access is a constant challenge. Principles of data ethics. So, how do we address these challenges? By following ethical principles. Here are a few key principles to guide ethical data handling. Collect only the data you need. Less data, less risk. Obtain informed consent from individuals before collecting their data. Remove personally identifiable information to protect privacy. Ensure that data analysis and algorithms are free from bias and treat everyone equally. Have a clear chain of responsibility for data handling and decisions. In conclusion, data ethics is a vital aspect of our data-driven world. Respecting privacy, ensuring fairness, and making ethical data decisions should be at the forefront of every data-related endeavor. It's not just about following laws and regulations, it's about doing what's right for individuals and society as a whole. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on data ethics and other related topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay ethical, stay informed, and have a great day.